Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, me and Jacob, we head out kayak fishing, and we only had about a couple hours to fish, and we catch some decent ones. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, it's a pike.
You got a northern?
I have no idea how I'm gonna land this guy.
How big is it?
Oh, there's two of them. Cast here, here. It's like a 25 incher. Maybe like a 23 incher.
Do you still see the other one? Oh, that's not bad.
That's a nice one.
I just tire them out and then your kayak will smell, but you can bring them in if you want.
There's a bunch of garbage here. Yeah, I'll bring them in soon. It's actually a really nice one.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's fun, eh? How did you react?
Jeez, eh? It's a 30 pounder. I don't know what that is. Oh, he's wrapped up in the... oh, there he goes.
Hey. Spoon out of hanging out of his mouth. Not bad though.
Yeah, this is awkward. He's feisty though.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Dude, that's a solid pike.
Yeah, it is a nice one.
I got a pic of you. Is that your first ever kayak fish?
I think so.
Alright, I got some good ones.
Perfect.
Let's get moving.
Nice pike. He was a vicious guy.
Good fight.
Yep. There he goes. That was fun. Yeah, I going.
You going?
Yeah.
Button's on.
It looks like a small... oh yeah, it is.
Smaller?
Yeah.
How big?
Little guy.
Getting eaten alive by bugs. Slugs.
It's my second fish of the day. It's a little smallmouth. Still pretty chunky. Nice fish. There he goes. What is it, a smallie?
No, I think it's a pike, just staying down.
Oh yeah, it is a pike, yeah.
Oh my god, that's funny.
You thought you were a snag.
Yeah, well, I don't even remember what a fish is.
Little pike?
Yeah.
Very nice. You want me to get him or are you good?
Oh, I should be okay. A bit smaller than yours, I think.
Yeah. That's too funny.
Easy.
Nice fish.
There we go. Not skunked. A lot of trees.
There's a cut on him.
Yeah. We've gotten in a little scrap.
Nice. Third fish of the night.
Yeah, it's got like a growth almost.
Yeah, weird looking. Fought pretty hard.
Yep. There he goes.
Nice
Great.
fish. Probably a small pike. Yeah. Yeah, it is a pike. It's actually a decent one. Oh, that'd be insane. I'd be way too pumped if we got a splake. Yeah. Let's see if we can land him here.
I'm gonna master the kayak and land.
Oh, it just popped off. Yeah.
Not bad.
I have not mastered the kayak netting yet. Another pike on over here.
Little one. Oh. You might get off.
Nice.
Don't want it. These little ones here.
Another nice little pike.
Another little northern. All coming off those little Williams W40 size, casting towards shore. Oh.
Vicious little guys. It's hard to tell because you're like going towards them.
Yeah.
It looks like... Oh, it's a baby pike. Yeah.
Oh, I got that. They're not happy when you see the kayak.
Oh no. He's barely hooked. We're gonna try and land this guy. Dude, this is so hard. I'm not used to this.
Well, I used to bring a little net.
Right. There he is. My second pike landed. Barely hooked. Came out like that. There he goes. Jacob's hooked up again.
Oh, a little dinky northern.
Oh wow, that is a small one.
Like a little way.
They like this shoreline. We're in some shade right now. And I guess the pike are up pretty shallow.
Black flies are staying away, which is good. This guy ate it. Uh-oh.
Pliers time.
Yeah, he's bleeding a bit. Really lipping this thing right now. Alright,
Little
see you,
pike.
bud.
He should be okay. Oh, there he goes. Gave a good kick.
That's a minnow perch.
Yeah. Coolest catch of the night. Just foul hooked this little baby perch. That's crazy.